What if your rough sketches could instantly transform into stunning digital artwork? Today, I'm showing you my complete workflow using Adobe Firefly's image generator. Start with a clean, clear sketch. Doesn't need to be perfect. I use basic line drawings that capture composition and key details. Photograph or scan it at high resolution. Adobe Firefly works best with moderate contrast. Remove distracting backgrounds if possible. This foundation determines your final output quality, so invest time here before jumping to AI generation. Import your sketch into Adobe Firefly's image generator. The upload interface is intuitive. Drag and drop your file. Set your style preferences: realistic, painterly, digital art, or abstract. Adjust parameters like lighting, mood, and color palette. Firefly preserves your sketch's core structure while applying your chosen aesthetic. Experiment with different style combinations to discover unique variations. Your text prompt is crucial. Be specific. Include art style, mood, lighting, and subject details. Example: oil painting style, warm golden lighting, ethereal atmosphere, detailed textures. The more descriptive your prompt, the better Firefly interprets your vision. Test multiple prompts from the same sketch to explore creative directions quickly. Review generated variations quickly. Review generated variations and select your best result. Fine-tune in Photoshop or Lightroom if needed. Adjust colors, contrast, or details. Export in high resolution for printing or social sharing. This hybrid approach combines human creativity with AI efficiency, creating artwork that's genuinely yours while saving hours' patience. Drop a like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more AI art workflows. What's your favorite AI tool?